How to add highlights on Instagram without adding to Instagram story. So let's get started. Adding highlights on Instagram without posting to your story is pretty impossible. You will at least need to post your story for 2 seconds or 1 seconds. So here is some simple workarounds. Here is how to do it. Firstly, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Once logged in, all you have to do is tap on the Your Story option available in the top left corner of your screen, or simply slide to the right side to go to the Story option. So here, let me just randomly click a photo for my story. Let's guess that this is black screen is my story for now. Now all you have to do is tap on the Your Story option available there and post it on your story. Once you post it on your story, simply wait for a few seconds for your story to be completely posted. Now, once done, tap on your story, go to your story you have just posted, and once you're inside the story, tap on the three dot icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the archive option available there. Now your story has been gone, it is archived. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, and here you can see I have no highlights of any black screen. Now in order to put that into highlights, tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen, then tap on the archive. After you tap on the archive, you can see I have just posted this blank story on my Instagram story. Tap on it. Then tap on the highlight option available there in the bottom. You can simply add it with other highlights, or you can make a different highlight for this story as well. Tap on the new option available there if you want new, or tap on the previous highlights if you want to add it to your previous ones. Now here, name your highlights, then tap on the OK option available there, and it is completely added to your highlights. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.